Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and use Edge panel on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So you want to do a swipe up first and foremost and go to settings. From here, tap on display, then scroll all the way down to where you find Edge panel. Toggle this on. Now, this is going to show you what the Edge panel look like. If you look towards the left side of my screen, you will see that a little section just appear towards the left hand side, and that's the Edge panel. Now I'm going to go ahead and minimize this and show you how to actually open the edge panels, and so you can see what it looks like. So from the side, just simple swipe inwards where you see it, and this will open up the edge panel. And as you can see, the edge panel currently have applications here. You also have settings. You can also click on the customization there to take you into the various applications where you can add various apps to your edge panel. You can add and remove. You can easily add and remove applications here as well. So this is how you can easily turn on and use the edge panel, guys. Now, in order to go more in depth into edge panel, you can tap on the edge panel there from the settings, and you can see how to use it by looking at that animation there. Now, as you can see, mine is currently on the left side, but you can also change this to the right side as well. So how do you simply do that? All you have to do, guys, is just simply go ahead and tap on handle here, and you can see from the position here that mine is set to left. If you tap on that, you can switch it to the right. And as you can see, it is now on the right side for me. Tap it back to left, it jumps back to the left side. You can play around with the styling as well. You can lock it. You can choose whatever you want here. You can play around with the transparency, the size as well, the width, etc. Right? So very easy stuff there. Go ahead and check it out, and you will see more how to manage here. In terms of the apps, as I mentioned, you can tap on the panel and you can see the applications here. You can tap on edit, and you can edit those applications by adding or removing. So let's say I would like to add, for example, Facebook. I can tap on Facebook and it will go there. And let's say I want to add my Gmail, I can tap on it and it will go there. So you can add multiple applications. Now to remove an application, you can simply go ahead by tapping on the minus upper left hand side of those applications, and as you can see, the application is now removed. But you have access to all of your applications here, guys, that you can add within the edge panel, and that's how you add applications there. Now there are more to the edge panel, such as people. You can enable the people, you can enable smart select, you can enable tasks, you can enable weather, you can enable tools, reminders, clipboard. In order to enable whichever you want is by simply go ahead by checking one of these buttons there at the tops, and you can see that it is now checked, and this is how you enable them. So let's say I would like to enable the weather, for example. I will tap on that and it is now enabled. So when I go ahead and I expand it again and I expand it once more, you will see that I have the weather there. So how do you go about checking if you have multiple edge panel open, guys? As you can see, I will enable a few more. You will see how to access them. To do so, you have to swipe inwards from the edge panel to expand it, and to see the additional enables or the additional panels, you have to swipe again inwards to access another one. So swipe towards the middle, swipe towards the middle, and you see that you access each of them. So once you continue to swipe towards the middle and the edge panel, you will see that it changes as I'm showing you there. And in a nutshell, guys, this is how you actually use the edge panel. This is how you basically access various things within the edge panel. And I really hope that you found this tutorial useful. And if you do, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below what you think, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and see you next time.